I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope that you are enjoying your days and you are having a good time. So, let's start with our activities of this day.
The first activity is to check the new keywords of this day, so you have to repeat after me and pay attention to the meanings. Blocks. Blocks means building bricks. Example, they build the house with many blocks. Borrow. Borrow means use another's property. Example, can I borrow your pen? Nearby. Nearby means close. Example, whenever Richard travels nearby for job, he visits his family. Let's check some grammar. The subject and the verb in a sentence must agree or match in a number. If the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. Example, one bell rings. Here the subject is singular, so you have to add an S. Four bells ring. Here it is not necessary to add a S because it is plural. The first activity is to open your notebook on pages 86 and 87. Answer them. The second activity is to go to Mayon and read the following book. And the third activity is to go to EducaPlay and answer the exercise.
Yes. That's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a good day.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion.